go to the showroom and see if it's there. If it's there, the red color one or the green color one, I haven't decided yet. अभी वहाँ देख के जब अच्छे से देख के पता लगेगा, then only I'll buy. My heart is beating so fast, maybe because I was so excited. Last night I couldn't sleep and today morning I woke up so early. And now I'm going to pick up Yoving. I'll pick up Yoving and then we'll go together. And yeah, let's go. It's a very nice weather today. Let's keep going. So Yoving is here. He's driving the car and he will drive the bike back home if the bike is there. We are going to the showroom. It's almost 10 minutes away from my home and I am praying that bike होने से अच्छा है. Let's see, my heartbeat is getting faster. One new shop is here. It's like a food court.
Apanya lagi nih? Sira lagi. Oh itu. Para pick.
So what happened was that Gari though is available, but I was thinking of buying on down payment in EMI, but problem you if you wanna buy EMI, wait for one day as the finance guy is not here. He comes from very far away place. So I was like, if it's possible, you can give it today. But he said you have to make the full payment if you want to buy. So I will think for some time and I will decide whether I'll buy today or day after tomorrow. So I just gave them some amount for the booking so that other people don't buy. And yes, let me think and we'll see what happens next.
अपना हिसाब से कर सकते हैं।
लेट जाएगा
ये बंद हो जाता है।
धीरे चला के एडजस्ट करके गलती से भी नहीं जाएगा।
I have decided to buy this color. I went home and I thought, and again put a full payment here, and it's looking very nice. होगा तो तुम्हें बैठने वाला तरह दे हाँ होगा just bought the bike नहीं YouTube के लिए बोल रहे just bought the bike and it looks very nice. We are going back home. After I reach home I'll do a full review and Yoving will be riding back home. Handsome लग रहा है Yoving bike में full cafe racer vibes. आओ स्टार्ट करते हैं. So right now we are going back home. हम लोग I think around 2 बजे के आसपास आए थे. पूरा धूप था. अभी जैसे जैसे जा रहे हैं पूरा एक्सेसरी फिट करने के बाद it's almost the light is out and it's also like the working timing. It's raining so heavily. Yoving के लिए बहुत खराब लग रहा है, but if I knew how to ride a bike I would have rode it, but मेरा बहुत टाइम हो गया बाइक को राइड करते हुए, इसलिए I don't want to take the risk. थोड़ा सा चलाने के बाद ही I will buy. I think something heavy home. Yoving पूरा भीग गया बारिश से. I am feeling so bad for you. इधर कुछ रिव्यू देना कुछ कैसा लगा
भाई यार हम इसे भगाने में न रहे पर नहीं भगा नहीं भगाना
Hello everybody. So this is the next day and I'm back home. शोरूम में इतने अच्छे से टूर नहीं करा पाया था, so I will give you a detailed tour. But just to let you know, I'm not the bike expert and I didn't have any interest in bike also until this bike was released. So I know a little about it, so I'll just give you a quick tour starting from here. This is the fuel tank. This is a fuel cap. You have to open it and put the fuel. And ये वाला बहुत अच्छा लगा, ये जो है ना, this one, this white strips. I was thinking of buying the green one, but at the last moment I saw the 2025 Rocker red color. It had this white strips with it, so I just went on with this color. And if you see here, this is the, of course, speedometer. This is the engine RPM, and it doesn't show the gear number, which gear you are riding in. That's, for some people it might be a downside, but for me it just gives more of a retro vibes. And I think the Royal Enfield, they did it on purpose, you know, to give it the more retro bike with the modern inside, and that's a valid one. So if we come from here, this is the headlight, and they said it's BS6, so it's the halogen headlight and it always stays on. And here on the wheel there was two versions, ठीक है, एक alloy भी था, एक spokes था, but I took the spokes one because it just gives more retro vibe. तो बाद में अगर, or if I want to, you know, modify it or put it into the alloy wheels, बाद में I can do it. तो अभी के लिए तो I like the spokes one. It gives the very retro vibes and stuff. And here is the turning lights, side lights for the this is the indicator horn. And engine, if you see here, it's very big. And मैंने चलाया था अभी सुबह, although I'm not an expert, तो गिर गया था एक बार. Luckily मुझे और बाइक को नहीं लगा, थोड़ा सा भी just पैर नहीं पहुंचा. So I was thinking of थोड़ा नीचे करने का ये सीट को, so that my legs can reach down at the bottom perfectly. अभी अच्छे से नहीं पहुंच रहा है, and it's so heavy, तो बैलेंसिंग करने का थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा था. And this is the hydraulics here. अभी जो एक्सेसरी बोला था, बस this mud guard एक ही लगाया, क्योंकि एक्सेसरीज was not available. They said कि अगर 7 दिन का बाद आएगा. And this is the seat. It's very comfortable, and most of the people were saying कि ना it's not comfortable, but as a passenger seat also it's very nice. And here if you see, this is the twin parallel exhaust, which becomes very hot when you ride it for a little while. And here are the suspension. यहाँ से वो लोग ट्यून करेंगे सीट को नीचे करने का, हाइट का. I will do it. जो एक्सेसरीज आ जाएगा then I will do it. And this is the oil. कौन सा oil है I don't know it. Brake fluid. This is the brake fluid for passenger. उनका leg rest is here. Sorry अभी ना थोड़ा सा गंदा है क्योंकि बहुत बारिश आ रहा है मेरे यहाँ पे. And थोड़ा सा साफ तो किया है, but बारिश पे थोड़ा सा निकलने से फिर गंदा हो जाता है. That's why I thought कि वापस अगर जब धूप आना स्टार्ट होगा, that time I will wash it again. And this is the engine, 650, and इससे ज़्यादा I don't know, like I just know that it's 650cc and very powerful and very heavy. यहाँ से एक exhaust निकलता है, वहाँ से एक exhaust निकलता है. Listen the sound. Sounds नीचे देखते हैं. You turn it on, फ्यूल का आवाज़ आता है. यहाँ पे if you see the buttons here, this is for ignition, kill switch. ये भी बताया था इसको, हमको कुछ आइडिया तो नहीं था पहले. And this is the hazard light, it starts blinking. So if you see here, that one I was telling you about, this is the number of kilometers you have drove, fuel indicator, and that's it. So here you can see only the neutral shows. Other than that, अगर ये this doesn't glow, that means you are in some gear. Yes, ABS. This things, no idea. This looks like a battery. अगर आप लोगों को पता होगा तो please let me know in the comments. क्योंकि I am a very beginner to owning a bike. So if you see here, यहाँ पे light का है. I think you have to start it. So यहाँ पे indicator, right indicator, press करने से बंद हो जाता है. Let's try putting on the ignition. It's on neutral. So fuel is coming. This is the sound. अभी light on होगा. Listen to the sound. I don't know which exhaust is this, but it sounds nice. बाद में देखते हैं, थोड़ा 1-2 साल चलने के बाद exhaust को भी थोड़ा modify करके देखेंगे. Let's rev it. It's very powerful. थोड़ा सा ऐसे हिलाने से पूरा एकदम आगे चला जाता है. Let's do it. And yes, that was the tour pretty much. I will make more videos about it. अभी registration भी नहीं आया इसका, थोड़ा दिन लगेगा आने में. I'll make more videos in future. Accessories वगैरह भी डालना है, तो एक कवर भी मंगवाया था. The motive of this video is not to show off, but rather to my message would be to stay fit, because these things are just materialistic thing. 2-3 साल के बाद it will dry off. But what I want to say is, make sure you take care of your health so you can enjoy the every little experience life has to give that will make you happy. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And